Hi, Angie Wagler here for Arise Now and the 2-Minute Wake Up Call. I'm here today in Stratford Park with my dear husband Paul.
Hello.
And we're here doing some reminiscing because this is a place that we used to come a lot when we were dating. We'd walk in the park, we'd come to this little island, we'd cross this bridge here, come and walk on the little island, sit and look at the water and dream together. Well, here we are tonight, kind of reminiscing, and there's something else going on this little island. And yes, there's people looking for things. Do you know what I'm talking about? That Pokemon Go. There's a lot of young people here and not so young people here looking for Pokemons. Yes, that's what they're doing. And I think one even found one. Well, it got me to thinking about what Jesus says in John 4. He said, "I only do what I see my Father doing." He was looking for something. He was looking for the kingdom. He was looking for what God was doing, and he could partner with him and bring about the kingdom purpose here on the earth. Well, I was thinking, you know, with the amount of time and effort that these people are looking for Pokemon, what if they had opened their eyes and ears, their spiritual eyes and ears, even as Jesus said, "He who has ears, let him hear. He who has eyes, let him see." Yeah, what would happen if we were more attuned to looking for what God's doing and partner with that to release kingdom realities in the earth? Well, I think we would see some change. We would experience some things that we have not experienced yet up until this point. I want to invite you to think on that today. And maybe you want to do some searching for what God's doing in and around you and the places you go. Well, on that note, I invite you to stay awake and stay alert.